Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, so long didn't share with you all my projects, and yeah, this is the video to show you my my goodies box that I ordered. And yeah, also the same, this is one of the old my old box that I collect. Is a mooncake box that I always mention, and this is, you can see, is very good quality chipboard box, and the size is quite big, you can see. Okay, with a palm here, and I believe is about maybe 10 inches or 11 inches. If this side is, I think is 1 feet, because the shape is like so. Okay. And what I did is I cover with the fabric 2 layer. Underneath is one is very soft, like how to call it, fabric cotton, and layer with the lace on top. And I make the pin cushion. Let me adjust the camera so you can see the pin cushion that I make on top the box here. Okay, we'll continue. Yeah, I make the pin cushion on top here. You can see it's a pin cushion. So yeah, then put the needle here as a pin cushion. Very useful. And around the box is quite heavy, and I layer with the, this is IT dye, coffee dye I believe, and layer with this trim from my stash, and layer another layer to trim here, and this another one, and this laces is my favorite. And around the box, okay, it's quite heavy, so let's see here around the box here. And underneath the box, the original color is the very bright, very dark brown color, and I layer with the paper. This paper, I print this paper and cover, and the bottom I didn't cover it, so this is the original color, you can see. Okay, so yeah, this is the box, how does it look like. So now I show you the inside. Open the top here. This is the pin cushion, and this is the original. I didn't cover it. You can see this is like a Chinese how to call this thing, and the base I also didn't cover it, just leave it like so. Okay, so this is the inside the box. The first top here, and I make all these with this spool tag. You can see, make the sizes, this small size, and this is I still have some of the spool that I print on Pinterest, and I just keep this here, so can reuse, and different sizes. Okay, so put this side here. I make these boxes small, look at this size, and I have the big size. The thickness is about 1 inch I make. So yeah, just roughly to show you. Show you the big one first. Big box like so, and so inside I just feel different of the pink, because this is a Shabby Chic theme, the box, so I put all the stuff inside this box. Also is the pink color, and all this is my collection. I don't have all these I just keep some for myself, and all this is my favorite collection, and so I share this with friends. Okay, and this one, so many beautiful, and this one is, I show you, is, yeah, if you know where, if you see where have sell this kind of the applicates, yeah, just let me know, because I love all this color. This no more, couldn't find this anymore. This is some that I keep for my stash. Okay, this is my favorite, so just put all the here. Okay, this is the big one. I need to put inside, and the box inside is, so you can see I just cover with the, oh, better don't pull it because it might get broken. Let me put all this first. Okay, alright, so okay, it'll be clumsy. Let me put all this and show you the box here. Okay, covered here, and this side I didn't do anything, but I think this is look okay. And now I'll show you this size. Inside is, I just put some sequins, appliques. Another, I make 2 of this, and some of the ribbon roses, and the color also match with this box. And this is the tiny one. Tiny one is about 2.5 inches. And some of the ribbon roses, flowers, and this one also. You see, everything match with the color. Love it. And I'll put inside here. It's pretty. So yeah, and the spool also, I use the spool the same, just roll off some of the laces, the trim that I collect for so long, and this is all already sold out, couldn't discontinue products, and so I just roll some and put in this box to match with this theme. Okay, pretty. And all here is a test tube that I ordered, and all inside is a trim, this kind of the flower embroidery trim, and the top here also cover with this, okay, it's focus, also the same image, the same, this gorgeous lady, same image. Okay, and layer with the laces and different type of the trim here. And I'm so happy because I found all this embroidery trim. So let's share some with friends, and all the same. See, all the same patterns. Put here, pretty, looks pretty. And some more here, different. All is different patterns. All different patterns. And also the same. And some of the here. And this one, well, I thought the relief, so I don't have this anymore, but I'm so happy when I found this bottom from in my drawer. So just share some for your friends. So pretty. This is gorgeous, the color. So yeah, all this, is the like a embroidery type trim, so just share, and the underneath also covered with the paper. Okay, let me put all inside and show you, because this box is amazing. Oh, these two little bottle that is one of my kids, so yeah, I think this is perfect for this theme. So add the beads and fill the beads in the bottle. So yeah, magic time. And this box is just gorgeous. Look at this. When you pull this open up, it's a big, when you extend, yeah, pull out the box, you can see you have a secret drawer box here, and inside I share, this is my handmade 2 flower, is one of my embellishment kit, and the color I think is quite match with this kit, so I include this flower into this box. And another one, so I believe I have the tutorial to show you how to make this flower in my channel. Yeah, you can check it out. And this is the big tag that I layer with this embroidery. Another embroidery trim, and underneath is just put some of my favorite. This is my favorite fabric, and see, and this rose fabric, all in the rose printed, and my hand dye doily to match with this set. So I put, and the underneath also you can see layer with the paper. So put all this here and put the flower. I think one put up here and another one put inside. Okay, so you can see, look, beautiful, gorgeous box, right? I wish I can get more boxes in this autumn festival, because yeah, they use so good quality box to keep the mooncake, and usually all this is given by my sister. Her friend, yeah, she will collect the box for me. So yeah, I'm so blessed. Yeah, so hopefully this year I can collect more gorgeous box. So yeah, this one cover. Ta-da! Like this. Okay, so yeah, this is my Shabby Chic goodie box, and with the pink cushion on top. And I hope you all will let me to show you. I get the paint. Oops, sorry. And so you can see, and maybe can, yeah, ew, too soft I think. Yeah, I can stand it. Just a shot. This one, see? This one is quite long, I think cannot too long. This one. This one, because the needle is, then put this one also. So yeah, because this I make the just a very thin cushion. So yeah, just like so. And I really hope you like this. And yeah, please feel free to leave me a comments and let me know what you all think of my goodie box. And I really hope who receive this will like this box as I did. And yeah, and if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone. And yeah, I have another goodie box to show you soon, and please stay tuned. And that one is another theme. It's totally different with this. Okay, and